Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How to file for divorce in New York. A step-by-step analysis. Divorce can be a complicated and emotional process, and understanding the legal procedures can make it less overwhelming. If you're planning to file for divorce in New York, it is important to understand the requirements, paperwork, and process to ensure a smooth legal transition. This article provides a detailed analysis of the steps involved in filing for divorce in New York. Grounds for divorce in New York. Before filing for divorce, you must determine the legal reason or grounds for your divorce. New York allows both no-fault and fault-based grounds for divorce. No-fault divorce. The most common ground is irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for at least 6 months, which means that the marriage is beyond repair. Fault-based divorce. These include cruel and inhuman treatment, abandonment for at least 1 year, imprisonment for 3 or more years, adultery. Choosing a no-fault divorce generally makes the process quicker and less contentious. Residency requirements. To file for divorce in New York, you must meet at least one of the following residency requirements. You and your spouse have lived in New York as a married couple for at least 1 year. You have lived in New York for at least 2 years before filing. The grounds for divorce occurred in New York, and you or your spouse have lived in the state for at least 1 year. If these requirements are not met, you cannot file for divorce in New York. Filing the divorce petition. 1. Preparing the divorce papers. The spouse initiating the divorce, the plaintiff, must file a summons with notice or a summons and verified complaint in the county where either spouse resides. These documents include the reason for divorce, any requests for child custody, child support, spousal support, or division of assets. 2. Serving the papers. The plaintiff must serve the divorce papers to the other spouse, the defendant, within 120 days of filing. The defendant has 20 to 30 days to respond. If the defendant agrees with the divorce terms, the case moves forward as uncontested. If the defendant disputes the terms, it becomes a contested divorce, requiring negotiation or court intervention. Negotiating divorce terms. Both spouses agree on issues like property division, child custody, and spousal support. They can submit a settlement agreement to the court. Otherwise, mediation or court hearings may be necessary. Finalizing the divorce. Once all disputes are resolved, the plaintiff must submit the judgment of divorce and other required forms to the court. A judge will review the case and sign the final divorce decree. Conclusion. Filing for divorce in New York involves several legal steps, including meeting residency requirements, choosing grounds for divorce, serving papers, and settling financial and custodial matters. Understanding the process can help ensure a smoother and more efficient divorce. If complexities arise, seeking legal counsel is highly recommended.
Divorce, separation, support, custody. The common factor? They keep you up at night. Sleep well, knowing that you have the law firm of Figeroux Associates on your side through this difficult time. Don't divorce your money. Don't divorce your children. Divorce your spouse. Whether it's a contested or uncontested divorce, the law firm of Figeroux Associates will guide you through every step of the process. From child custody to property and debt concerns, the law firm of Figeroux Associates has the experience and expertise in handling cases involving significant assets and complicated issues. A divorce can be one of the most unpleasant experiences a person ever has to go through. Don't do it alone. Stop the sleepless nights and call the law firm of Figeroux Associates, 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845, or visit 311divorce.com. That's 311divorce.com. At the law firm of Figeroux Associates, a divorce is not the end, it's a new beginning.